Okay, now I will show you the alternative way how to make finishing operation in this project. So here is our finishing operation now. It is 2D contouring operation. As you can see, here is the toolpath. I will now turn it off by double click this into this icon. You can see now the operation is turned off. So next I will just copy and paste my roughing waterline operation. And here it's the second roughing waterline operation, and I will drag and drop it to the end of the operation sequence in my project. So now I'm ready to make finishing operation with roughing waterline. So what I'm going to do is to use the same tool which I used for 2D contouring, like this. And next I will just press run. Okay, here is the toolpath. The only thing I'm going to adjust is to adjust engage and retract for this operation. I will set by arc, and now we can see the result. Here it is, pretty much the same toolpath which was in this 2D contouring operation. So just recalculate the whole project, and now let's go to simulation and check, reset the workpiece. I will simulate up to this operation and just check what we have for our finishing operation with roughing waterline strategy. Okay, this is it. Here is how we can make very easily our finish machining with roughing waterline operation.